Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. We see a little bit of upside today across the market, but actually they just started to correct again the coins. Solana broke above the trend line, but as I said, it's too early to say if a low is in. We need 5 waves. Okay, without 5 waves, we haven't got a confirmed low in place. So that's the confirmation side of things. I tell you what we need to see really to have a first really good view of a low in place. Until then, another low is still very likely, either more directly or after a more extended correction, okay? So I tell you what we need to see in this video. And oops, one second. And let's take a look at the structure. So most importantly, the market started to correct on the 25th of December, 26th. We had the swing high here around $127. That was the third wave high. Highlighted to you that at some point a fourth wave should be unfolding. I think we are in the fourth wave. Maybe it's completed, but then to confirm that I need to see a 5-wave move. At the moment, you might hear the dog in the background. At the moment, I only have 3 waves up, not even complete. So it could easily still be a corrective rally. That's something worth mentioning here, okay? So break above initial resistance, which happened yesterday, to which the market reacted, but not substantially. But break above resistance is only the first sign, the initial signal, the start, yeah, of following an idea that a low could already have formed here when it hit our support area. Because I mean, yes, I mean, so far, you know, I'd be inclined to say the wave 4 could be over. Obviously, it did the minimum, the bare minimum. It reached our trend reversal area and reacted really nicely to it. Okay, so, you know, I'd be happy. Essentially, the chart has done what it needed to do. It pulled back, reached this support zone, but really only touched it. But we had good confluence here, but it really only touched it. So normally what I would prefer is in any wave 4 that it at least does a little bit more than just the bare minimum. So of course it could turn into this A, B, C. We won't know that until later. But that's just something to highlight the possibilities to you. Either way, what have I said throughout? And that's really what counts. Does the market form a 5-wave move before breaking below $47? The $47 level is, for this scenario that this year is a wave 4, really the crucial level. As long as we stay above 47, a move to round about $190, maybe even $200 is expected. So it can start at any time. It could start from here. If it dips back into the support area, you know, there's still plenty of space that the market can use in this corrective structure if it extends. Yeah. So that's just something to highlight again. Okay, but now, you know, what do we need to see as the next step to confirm that a low has formed already in wave 5? Because I believe a lot of people are interested in the potential 5th wave. Has it started or not? I can tell you it's too early to confirm that. Just straightforward. Yeah. I assume that anybody who wanted a position added already a little bit here at the $80 level, because this is the first level where the price can attempt a reversal. And then if you did that, and if you found an entry in our trend reversal area, then you can just move up the stop loss, and there's no need to worry about, oh, are we already going to wave 5 or not? Because we can't say anyway at this stage, but you can just relax and just manage risk at this stage. Okay, what else to highlight? So obviously, what are the requirements for a 5-wave move up? So before we dive into that, maybe first of all, what is the next resistance? The next structural resistance is at $103.50. That's an important one to get above. Which would confirm further the idea that at least a somewhat substantial low formed. If that's already all of wave 4, too early to say. What do we need to see in terms of structure now from a bullish point of view? So from a short-term bullish point of view, I need to see 5 waves filled in white. And the third wave would need to reach minimally the 1.236 extension. Minimally. Hasn't even reached that. So at the moment, I'm not, again, I said it yesterday, it doesn't impress me yet. Okay, whatever it's doing, as long as it's a 3-wave move up, it doesn't impress me. If we get 5 waves, so first of all, if we get 3 waves to $99.90, maybe $101.75, can always go a little higher, then okay, at least we would have 3 waves. I haven't even got that. And then it needs to hold a 4th wave, and I cannot give you support yet because it hasn't even fulfilled 3 waves. And then if we get 5 waves, I would like to see it get to round about $105 based on what I can see right now. That's the 1.618 extension. Until I have that, it's a 3-wave rally. And as I mentioned in previous videos, as long as it's a 3-wave rally, it can either easily turn down. It's a corrective rally in that case. And yeah, surely, I mean, large corrective rallies happen in every in every crypto correction. Yeah, within every corrective structure, you get large corrective rallies as well. That's just part of the game. But therefore, it's so important to understand what is actually a corrective rally and when does the risk of another low reduce. And it really only reduces if we get the 5 waves complete. And I just showed you the parameters for that right now. That's all I can highlight at the moment about Solana. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.